Akiaria hindi ya kuhingura library ya Kiru cukuru-ini wa muthingi wa Mugaka, Mumbunge Kanini Kega augite ni hinya ciana guthoma maundu megie kompyuta mari kirathi kia mbere, kuona mathie kirathi gia keri no matigire aruna ao matari na kompyuta kirathi kia mbere.
I think we need to discontinue the issue of the laptops to the standard 1 kids. In its place, we create computer labs that will be accessible to all the students.
Kanini arendekithia thirikari ihuthire kigina gia ukuria wa matura nigio CDF gwaka irathi cia kiriu cia kompyuta niguo kuhotithia arutwo kwamukira mathomo ma kompyuta na njira iria yagiriire.
We in the CDF and all members of parliament, I believe they are ready, more than willing, to construct modern classrooms that will be able to house those computers, so that the computers are accessible to all the students in the schools, they are accessible to the people in the locality, and also accessible to anybody who would want to advance their education.
Guthondekwo kwa irathi macukuru-ini kuria arutwo marithomagira kompyuta, Kanini augite ni guguteithiriria andu aria makuhiriirie cukuru icio kwamukira mathomo ma kompyuta. Mubango wa kuheana kompyuta kuri arutwo a kirathi kia mbere wahanire ta wagumirwo ni ihingica, kuona gukinyiriria riu kuri na cukuru imwe itari ciamukira laptops ici. Kiribotera Inooro TV, njitagwo Kimathi wa Maina.
Bila hii ya kudhibitisha, kuna matumaini hasa kwa afisi mtakayopisha.